Hello friends, welcome for a new video. Today we will see the flight landing and takeoff from a close view. So let's see the video. See, the flight is coming. Now it will take a takeoff. See the live now. Let's see now another flight takeoff view for Finn Airlines.
दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट देखिए सेटा फ्लाइट टेकअप देखो फ्लाइट आसुची इपटुंडी फ्लाइट जाउचे देखो आसुची ये टेकअप न करबे देखो फ्लाइट टेकअप नबो ये फ्लाइट टेकअप नबो এটা फिन एयर এটা ওদে দেখো
Now we'll see the landing view. Let's see, the flight will land now. Hope you all enjoy this video. Kindly subscribe this channel. If you want to see any other airlines for takeoff and landing, please write in the comment box. We will try to show you in the next video. Thank you.